Repair 1 today. Damaged lift TIG and ARC welders. Dual purpose 250. Let's do a simple cleanup after removing the case. Check what's wrong with this machine. After some inspection, seems to be running fine, but it can't be welded normally. Look, just can't weld. Voltage is normal. High frequency is also normal. Considering that it may be a problem with the welding gun, change the welding gun first. Look, replaced it and it can be welded normally. First problem solved, but there are still a few small problems. The first is that the interface has been damaged. Also the fan is broken. Here. Replace the interface first, then replace the fan. The interface has now been replaced. We'll replace the fan right away. Now we are going to put the new fan on. The new fan has been installed. Let's take a look at this broken fan. This is the damaged fan. The bearing inside is broken. Now let's connect the interface. Connect the newly replaced interface as well. Okay, let's turn it on first. Normal boot. Try lift TIG welding again to see if it is normal. Lift TIG welding still no problem. The ups and downs are good. Now let's try it the ARC welding mode. Press the middle button. Now it is the ARC welding mode. Then connect the ARC wire. ARC welding works fine. Now the machine has been repaired. Let's put it back together. It is now assembled. These are the damaged parts that were removed, and the damaged welding gun. Follow me if you like. Thanks for watching.